I'll show you how to remotely shut down a computer or laptop using a command prompt. I'm using a Windows 7 operating system. This trick works on any form of Windows like XP, Windows 7 or 10. So just what you have to do is just hit the start and type CMD. So you get the CMD. If you are on XP, you can go to run and type cmd.exe. Okay, so once once you are in the command prompt, just you have to type net view. This will show you all the users which are currently connected to this PC. So this is the one user, Akshay-PC. So now what you have to do is you have to just shut down the computer using CMD. So I'll just type shutdown space -I and press enter. So this must open a remote shutdown dialog box, and here you would be asked to enter a computer which you want to shut down. So for example, I want to shut down my PC, so I'll just type my exact name which I see here, Akshay-PC. Okay, as it is you have to type. This will take the characters in the smaller letters, so you need not worry about it, and just press OK. So and you have to select what you want to do, like you want to restart or shut down. So in my case, I would just show you how to restart. You can give the warning actions or like that. If you don't want, you can just untick it. And here are the options. Why are you shut down? Why are you doing shutdown? So for example, here are the options like hardware maintenance, hardware installation, operating system. If you didn't got any of this strike out for you or work for you, you can just untick it. That is unplanned. Now here is a comment which is required. This is a comment which is like why you want to why you have used this to shut down your computer. So in our case, it's nothing but lol. Okay, and just you have to press OK, and this will do for you. Yes guys, this trick worked for me. You can try this, and do comment if you have any queries or doubts, and we'll definitely solve your doubt.